Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dylan Sherman, and this is another video of me. I tried to make a video. I tried to make a video yesterday, but it was too long. It said, and videos that are too long, they will make me verify my account. But I really don't have a phone number because I'm a kid, and yeah. But yesterday it was kind of too long, so I was gonna make another one today. Now, yesterday I basically went out. I found a roly-poly slash woodlouse, a worm, and a termite, or some termites, and a spider. It was like right in here somewhere. I don't know, but this is one of those videos that all you'll see is this. Like I said in the last video, go subscribe. And I did realize that I did get 2 squirrel, guys. It's a squirrel. I saw a squirrel. Where'd he go? There is a squirrel right there. It's almost spring. It's coming up on Sunday, they say. But there's a squirrel. I'm trying to get close enough to where I can get him on camera, but yeah, I saw a squirrel. I don't know where he went, but I done forgot what I was gonna say. Anyways, yesterday when I went out here, the only thing I found was this termite nest. Well, it's not really a nest, it's just a bunch of logs with holes in it, which either, I suppose it's termite holes or something else. But, yeah. Now, I went up here, and the whole reason why the video that I made yesterday was so long, it was because, I sat there recording almost me telling you guys my entire childhood. Dang. I was gonna review something if I could find the dang thing. It's way down here. I'm kind of scared of this because it's like right on the time the snakes are coming out. But this right here, I don't think. I mean, there's another way. Yeah, there's another way I can go. God. I was gonna review. Oh, God. Spider web. Shoot. This is where I kind of ended the video. I think. Somewhere through here is a honeysuckle bush. I was gonna review the honeysuckle. Okay. I don't really think it's that safe to be out here right now because there's some things around here I don't think I should be around. But I'm just gonna try and find. There it is too. I think they cut the honeysuckle tree down. I don't see it. I think I have to. Yeah, I don't see the honeysuckle tree anymore. I think they cut it down. Shoot. But let's just continue on bugs and other stuff. Ow! These dang trees. Okay, I was gonna go turn some rocks and stuff over. But, yeah. This is where I found the wood louse. So, let's see if he's still there. I can't find him. He ain't in there, I don't think he's in there. Let's see if he's in here. Is that a worm? Oh, there's a worm. Cool. Where'd he go? Worm? Dang it, he swam away. Or no, he didn't swim away, he went away. Cool little worm. Nothing special about him, just a worm. Maybe some... Yeah, I ain't no chances with that. Let's see here. What's under you? I'll be a freaking snake. I'm scared. I don't want to be a freaking snake. I mean, yeah, I could review it and stuff, but ain't nobody want to get bit by a snake. Okay. I think, yeah, last video I turned this over. Let's see if there's anything else in there. I don't see anything. Ugh. Okay. Well. Well, I can't. I guess I can't find anything then. Well, except for that squirrel and that worm. But other than that, I can't. This video was just. I mean, yeah, I'm still gonna upload it because I already got 2 subscribers. My last channel only got one in like 2 days. You guys are actually supporting this one. Well, I'm gonna try one more time to find something. I don't care what it is, I'm gonna find something and I'm gonna show it to you. Like, what in the world is in here? Spider? There's a spider, guys. See him? That's a spider. I don't know. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd that little thing go? Oh, he's right there. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, well, he's right there. He's right there. Hold on. Oh, is there more? No, there's just that one. Hold on. That's a spider, that black dot right there. Let me see. Hold on. Right there. Yeah, that's a spider, guys. He's cool. Stop zooming in. Okay. I think that's all I'm gonna be finding today. Except for, well, here's this. Well, that tells me that there's been a snail here. That's not snail poop, that's a leaf. Well, I can't wait till spring because then everything is going to be coming out. Oh, right here. Here's a plant. This. Uh, I think it's a daffodil. That's like a daffodil plant. I think. I don't remember, but blackberry growers are right there. More. Oh yeah, the blackberry growers are growing this year. That's cool. I mean, I'm gonna have to end this video soon because then it's gonna want to make me verify my account. So, I mean, that's good. 3 things found. Second video. Well, third video because, well, last one was a fail because it made me try to, But, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. This will wrap it up today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe. Turn on all notifications. Make sure to comment down below what you think of this video. Peace out.